All right, now we're going to talk about something that can be a little bit more challenging when you're subtracting. That can be a number that has a bunch of zeros in it on the top. We know that all of those zeros are going to be too small for the number beneath it. So we can't subtract, we have to do something else. This is where ungrouping or borrowing comes into place, as we've talked about in class. We know that these zeros here, as I said, are too small. So I have to go to the first place that I know is going to be okay because my top number is larger than my bottom. That's when I look at my thousands place. The 7, or 7,000, is actually larger than the 3, or 3,000. So I'm going to ungroup or borrow from my thousands place. This 7 is going to become a 6. He's now 6,000 versus 7,000. And that extra 1,000 is going to come over and make this a 10. Now, we know that this section in the hundreds place would be okay to subtract, but we're still not okay in the tens or the ones place. So what we'll have to do is take from this hundreds place, make him a 9, and send him on over here. Now, once again, like before, the hundreds place, the thousands place, and the tens place are all okay when it comes to subtracting, but not that ones place. So we have to keep going. To keep going, I'm going to take away from my tens place, make him a 9, and then send that back over into the ones place to make a 10. Now, when I look at each place value, I see a subtraction equation that I can complete. Each one of those is possible. So let's go through our math facts. We have 10 minus 4. That's going to give us 6. We have 9, or 90, really, minus 6, or 60. That's going to give us 3, or 30, because he is in the tens place. Next, I go to the hundreds place. We see a 9, or 900, over a 2, or 200. 9 minus 2 is 7, which makes that really a 700. Put my comma in since we know we have gone 3 places to get there. And finally, we're going to look at that thousands place. And we're going to say 6 minus 3, which we know we can do. 6,000 minus 3,000. That's going to give us another 3. So that gives your final difference of 3,736. Notice all of the borrowing I had to do, or ungrouping, to make this equation possible. That is what's going to help you when you see a number on the top that has a whole bunch of zeros.